Providing exceptional customer service is the most vital aspect of the DIRAK culture. It is more than just providing answers and filling orders. It's an important part of the promise our brand makes to its customers. DIRAK recognizes that great customer support drives an amazing customer experience, which is why our support team moves beyond just reacting to the problems and toward anticipating our customers' problems. We empower our customer service team to go above and beyond to ensure a timely and effective solution is always reached. We treat our customers the way that we want to be treated, and we make sure that their problems are our problems and raise them up to a different priority level to solve them seamlessly and efficiently. We recognize that our customers have choices within our industry, so we make sure the overall DIRAK experience is excellent to keep our customers within our family.